Time.
Time to fix the unit, mate.
How to make a unit better than every other unit. Buy shit from all around the world. Shall I show the drone footage? Is that any good? There's nothing, no memory on this. So it should just...
I think.
Or do I take the audio out and plug the charger in?
Oh, that.
Sorry, we ran out of battery. Then pizza and pizza come. Hopefully the lad can carry us. There's no mic, so it's going to be shit. Dickhead. We're going to continue putting up the bones. Mush. Fuck him up.
Oh my god.
Stand back.
That was.
Fucking look at this. I think the walls are still in good enough condition for it to be alright.
The walls, what do you mean? Well, they don't deteriorate, do they? I think animal style needs to come down from there.
Not big hug.
Yeah.
Okay. Not big hug, we're running it out of.
Oh, walk straight into your ass. Why don't you get like that? When we do it, I just walk towards it like. Fuck idiot.
What's the window right now? Yeah, we'll sit down and start one down. No, well, no, it's covering that thing to do.
What's it covering that?
That fucking recess.
Or is it?
Oh,
Your ass.
no, mate, not really. Ooh, look at that sunlight. I'm not sure if you can see me there. But good morning. How is everyone today? A little bit of a change of scenery today. We're at my house. Yeah. You know what that means, don't you? Do you recognise this car? We're going to try and start the PS today. What the problem I've got is the battery's dead. It's been sat here for a month or so now. And what I did was I've ordered this jumper pack. I've already opened it because I wanted to charge it. But we've all seen them jumper packs that people are using and blah blah blah. Well, I wanted to give it a go. It's nearly winter. I might need it. And this is what I've ordered. Just to find it on eBay. It was about 60, just under £60. The car is completely dead. Nada. The handbrake doesn't work, so I need to lock the wheels. I'm going to sort of get the car a little bit ready and we'll start it in a minute. Okay, so the battery is dead on the GoPro. I managed to plug it in onto the USB, turn it on, leave it for a few minutes. It's charged up now. It's pretty good, eh? So with the pack you get some charging cable, the pack itself with a screen of what its life is, these jumper cables. This is what we're really interested in. Let's have a look. So the red on the positive, black on the negative. Pull this out. This is where I hope we don't die. So it's turned off. Okay. So it's green. Press it on. See if it starts. As you can hear, it's running. Now, this car has been sat. It was on a boat for however many weeks, 10 weeks. Then it was driven a little bit when I got it delivered. Now it's been sat at my house for maybe a month, something like that. I can't actually remember. You've seen when we had it. I'm not really showing much on the channel because we're still building the Civic. But I wanted one of these because I've always been worried that if we break down or my missus needs jump starting or any friends, we can just use it. And it was £60 off eBay. I thought we'll give it a go. We just started this relic. I'm going to let it run up a little bit, get it to temperature, and then it will be parked back up, locked up, and left for a little bit longer until the Civic's completely finished, and then, all being well, we'll jump onto this. Now, this is the first time I've really charged anything with no mic, and it's plugged in. But you can see there, it was on about 98%. It took 2% of the charge to start the car, and then it's been charging the GoPro that it's plugged in now for the last 5 minutes or so. It's a unit, this is 60 quid at eBay. I don't know how long it's going to last, and I probably apologise for this clip because there is no external mic on it, but the Ps13 is alive. It needs some work and love, but we'll get there. I think I'm going to run this up for a bit, get it to temperature, and then I'm going to head down the unit. This is what we like. Look, garage up, Falcon tyres, shirts tucked in, animal style, final bout, used Nissan car lot, HKS, Falcon, final bout, lucky night, Japan, up garage, street head, Koyarad, final bout. Ooh, god damn. Raised gram lights, final bouts, America. We need a Japanese one, we need a UK one, and we need a black country one. Lucky night, Costco, and boys, final bout. Not sure if in the last video I went into detail, but we got some wheels on the Civic. We've gone from 15s to 16s. But that's not what's mostly important today. Today, I'm going to try and start doing body work. That's right, I know you don't like it, and I know it's boring, and I know it's tedious, but I'm sick of looking at it. But what I need from you lot, all, I don't know how many now, I think like 40 viewers, 150 subscribers right at this point now. Hopefully we've grown by the time this video's out. We can pray. Anyway, back to the point. Do I paint this teal, the same colour that it is? Or do I paint it, that we all know, cut loose, red? Let me know. I need to see the comments, because otherwise I'm going to just do what I want to do, but I need to know from you. You know what I'm saying? Work with me on this one. But what did you think? The little battery pack? Sound that was. Sound.